We need a screwdriver, a card reader, and a computer with the Windows operating system as our host. We also need some third-party software to create the actual image. We have had good experiences with the free software tool called rmprep USB. The tool can be downloaded from rmprepusb.com. We download the software and install it on our computer. Now we are ready to create the image. The last thing we need is the flashcard containing the operating system from which we want to create the disk image. If the card is still installed in an embedded computer, we disconnect the computer from the mains and unscrew the service access cover. We remove the card and insert it into our card reader. We now connect the card reader to the host computer. In the software, we select the card from the list. Then we click on the big button labeled Drive to File. A pop-up appears asking us to name our image file and where we want to save it. Saving the image file will commence as soon as all pop-up messages are confirmed with OK. The process can take a couple of minutes depending on the file size. The file size, by the way, will be equal to the storage capacity of the flashcard we used to create the image from. When the message Drive to File completed, OK appears, you know that the disk image has been created successfully. Now we have a correct image that we can install on any number of devices.